Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to show that tan A plus B is the same thing as the whole of this expression to the right. Likewise, tan A minus B is equal to the expression to the right. So in this tutorial, I'm going to take them simultaneously, but in the end, I will explain what you need to know about the difference between the two of them. But before we start, you should know that tan of an angle is the same thing as sine of the same angle divided by cos of that same angle. I think this will help us. So now let's just begin. I told you I will take them simultaneously. We have tan of A plus or minus B. So we can now use this expression to simplify this. This will be equal to sine of A plus or minus B divided by cos of A plus or minus B. Okay, for sine, we can simplify it as sine of the first angle, then multiply by cos of the second angle. Plus or minus, in sine ratio, the sign doesn't change. We have sine of the second angle multiply by cos of the first angle. Now we divide. But in cosine, the sign normally changes. If it is addition, it turns to subtraction. And if it is subtraction, it turns to addition. So we take cos of the first angle multiply by cos of the second angle. Then instead of plus or minus, we have minus or plus. For cosine, it normally changes. Sine of the first angle multiply by sine of the second angle. So what we are going to do next is to divide each time by cos A cos B. So this becomes sine A cos B divided by cos A cos B. Then we'll put the sign that is plus or minus. We take the second expression, sine B multiplied by cos A divided by cos A cos B. The whole of this should be divided by what we have as our denominator is this. Cos A cos B divided by cos A cos B. Minus or plus, we have the second expression. Sine A sine B divided by cos A cos B. You can see that we have divided each term by cos A cos B. So what we are going to do next is to perform a cancellation. From the top left, you can see that cos B will cancel cos B. To the right top, we have cos A cancelling cos A. To the bottom, you can see the first expressions are exactly the same, so they cancel out. To the right, we know that sine A divided by cos A is tan A, and sine B divided by cos B is tan B, so we don't have to cancel anything here. So now let us continue. From the top, this is the only thing we have, sine A over cos A, which is tan A. Plus or minus. Here, cos A and cos A are gone. We have sine B divided by cos B, which is the same thing as tan B. The whole of this divided by, the whole of this is gone. We have only 1 minus or plus. Sine A over cos A is tan A multiplied by sine B over cos B is tan B. This is tan A plus or minus B. So let me differentiate the two for you. From the left hand side, if you have addition, then use addition to the top and subtraction to the bottom. But if what you have is tan A minus B, then you use subtraction to the top and addition to the bottom. But all other things remain the same. Hence proof, you can see what we have earlier is these expressions, and we have proven that. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.